got the carriage rolled forward to the last two sections of the rail. The actual rail bed's about 73 feet long. I've got it split here. Right here should be about 32 feet or so. And then I've got this middle piece down here, from here to there, and it's 12 feet. And then from here down, I pulled the rails loose from the rail bed because most of this is rotted away and needs new wood underneath. And then that roller bed there, I've got it split into sections and ready to go. And once the saw is out of the way, I'll come back and get the saw chain frame out of the ground. That and the support structure underneath will be the last two things to go out of here. There's a bunch of stuff up here in the tree line too that goes with it.